Hi, I'm a Heritage Assistant at the Oliver Museum. My name is Michaela, and today I'll be teaching you how to tie knots. Reef knot. This is your right. Take it and cross it over your left and loop it under. This is now your left. Take it and cross it over the right and loop under. This is the figure 8 test. If it doesn't look like this, something is done wrong. The Clove Hitch. Start behind the two objects, cross diagonally over both, loop under both and diagonally cross over the rope, and loop under both objects again. Then take the rope and tuck it under the top rope only. Pull both ends tight. The bowline. One hand is working and the other hand is holding the rope steady. Start by crossing the rope over the right and then twist it around your wrist and bring it back up through the loop that you created around your leg. Then wrap it under the right side and pull your hand out. The knot should resemble a triangle shape. How to make your own rope. You'll need lots of long green grass. The grass must be green so that you can easily fold it without it breaking. Start off with 3 strands and start braiding, adding a new piece each time you cross over. Now you know how to tie a reef knot, clove hitch, and a bowline. Don't forget to practice. Thank you.